Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm crafting with you every single morning right here on my Facebook page, Making Memories with Michelle Irene. And I am thrilled, beyond belief, to be crafting with you in the mornings. Good morning, Sean. It's great to see you. So I went to bed last night with my head absolutely swimming, because yesterday was a huge day in the Stampin' Up! World. Not only was the sneak peek of the new catalog released to demonstrators, and let me tell you, wow, my wish list is longer than my do not wish list. And it's amazing. I couldn't stop looking through it. And it's right now a PDF form, so I'm just dying to get my hands on a paper copy so that I can flip through it and I can see it. And one of my team members last night said she just wants to smell it. So, right, you know, we're paper crafters. We need the paper. PDF is nice, but wow, I can't wait to mark what I want and everything. So yeah, the new catalog came out, and then there's the retired list, and the retired list, oh my goodness, so many amazing products on special for you now, and some surprises. There's always some surprises, and there's always a few heartbreaks of favorite products that are retiring, and so that's what I'm here to talk to you about this morning. One of my biggest surprises and one of my biggest heartaches that's retiring is my beloved Starburst Punch. I know I have used this punch now like exclusively for about 2 years, right? This is my favorite. This is the first one I reach for, all right? But guys, it's retiring. And let me see. I'm gonna come over here to my laptop. Okay, and I'm gonna see. Oh, maybe I'm on the wrong page. Oh, has it already gone? Oh my goodness, hold on. I think it's still available. Oh, I don't know. It says it's on back order. I will check for you and I'll let you know. But my goodness, if things are flying off the shelf that fast, you've got to take advantage of it, all right? So I'm going to craft. This is probably the very last time I'm going to use this punch. And it's going to be a momentous occasion. And I chose the Bonanza Buddies to celebrate its retirement. So let's make some birthday cards, shall we? We're making some pretty sweet and simple cards because you know me. That's what I like to do, sweet and simple. All right? So I've got some of this Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper, and it's going to be a wow day. Okay, so we're going to mix and match Coastal Cabana and Crushed Curry, and we're just going to make some bright, whew. Oh, come on. Really? There we go. Whew. Some bright colors. It is a dark, dreary, rainy day here in North Carolina, so we are going to wake everybody up with these big, bright, beautiful colors. Birthday Bonanza is also retiring, y'all. Okay? I'm just saying, if you didn't check out the retiring list, and I think you need to. There is, do you remember the Darling Label punch box? I did the cutest class. I might have done a couple classes with it, and I know I've used it quite a bit. It's marked down to like $7. That was like, what was that? Over $35? Seriously. Go. As soon as you finish watching me, of course, right? We gotta get our priorities straight. Okay, so I didn't tell you, this is cardstock measures 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and the designer series paper measures 5 by 3 3/4. All measurements will be over on my blog later this morning at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Then I have a piece of Coastal Cabana that's 3/4 of an inch by, 3 3/4, and then 1/2 inch by something. 3 7/8 for the Coastal Cabana and 3 3/4 for the sea. I'm all flustered. I have to tell you, it's a retirement list. The deals and the bargains, they're making my head spin. All right, so I have 2 of these. I just dropped stuff on the floor. All right, and this stamp from the Birthday Bonanza, or Birthday Buddies, says, "Let's celebrate you." It's very cute. What I want you to do is stamp it all the way. I mean, like as far over to the left as possible, okay? Because remember, we have to leave room for that Starburst Punch. It's my favorite. I've had people like texting me, "Michelle, did you see? Did you see?" Yes, I did. It's like when people have bad news and they want to share it with you. Oh, breaking my heart. Okay. I'm moving that so I don't stick my hands in it this morning. All right. So all the way over to the left. And then I have this. I have 2 of those cut somewhere. It's probably on the floor. Oh my goodness. All right. Pardon the noise. We're going to cut this down to 3 3/4. And then we're going to put this right on here. Gorgeous new in colors coming. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So see, we take the good and the bad, right? Things that break our hearts and things that make us excited. So we're going to put those on there. So we might be saying goodbye, but I absolutely cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oopsie. All right, so this one's going to be just a little bit different, but that's okay. Oh, it was really hard to get out of bed this morning. It's so dark, and the dogs are sleeping. All right. There, that's better. It's still crooked. All right, let's put this on our card. And then if it's a little too long, you can always just give it a little trim. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I love crafting with you in the morning. It wakes me up. That's all right. I'll grab my glue. Are you laughing with me yet? You should. It is no fun if you can't craft and giggle. There we go. Whew. Okay. I should share, since the in colors are retiring, you know, the Blueberry Bushel and the Lovely Lipstick and what is it, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch. Do you remember one of my very first Facebook Lives where I stuck that Blueberry Bushel right in the Pineapple Punch and made a whole brand new, really not beautiful color? Yeah. Okay. Starburst Punch. I want you to take two. We're gonna use this, all right? You are going to need 2 Starburst Punches out of a piece of Coastal Cabana. Let's set that aside. Okay. Now, I have toucans and koala bears because they're adorable. And I have a 2-inch circle punch. So go over here and punch out a toucan. And then come over here and punch out koala bear. Absolutely adorable. Okay, and then we're going to put these on our Starburst Punches this morning. Hey, little guy. Yeah, just like that. Look at that. See, that Starburst Punch makes the hugest difference. You don't think it does because it's just like a 1/16 of an inch around, but be still my heart. Okay. Dimensionals are right here. I'm going to put it on the top and on the bottom. I'm going to put him, close to the edge. I love snail because I can reposition it. I'm going to put that over just a little bit. See that? Make room for my toucan. Cute. And let's see if we can do the same thing here. Oh, we can. Yay. Okay. It's always an adventure. Can you tell I didn't make a sample of this earlier this morning? I'm crafting right here with you. Spontaneous crafting. Very cute, very fun. Now, I'm not done with my Starburst Punch because I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I have this sentiment that comes in the Bonanza Buddies. And it says, I'm glad it's your birthday so I can tell you how wonderful you are. And this is an awesome, awesome sentiment because you're all awesome. Everybody's awesome on their birthday. Wonderful birthdays. Excuse me. Now I have a 2-inch circle punch. And I'm going to punch this out. I heard someone telling my trick the other day to somebody and it made me laugh. Oh my gosh, I loved it so much. They're like, it's okay. If you get it crooked in a circle, you just turn the circle. That's right. That's why I like this combination so much. I don't have to be perfect. Okay, now take your Starburst Punch again. And this time, out of Designer Series paper, we're going to punch one of those. I'm going to punch one of those. That's probably not the one I wanted. It's okay. Let's do this one again. That was not the background I thought it was. Now, it has just a little bit of confetti-ish type. And we're sticking with the color scheme. So I have a whole pack of Bonanza Buddies Designer Series paper that has not been opened. And if you would like 6 card bases, Whisper White, and 6 card fronts out of the Bonanza Buddies, all you have to do is place an order at my store, which is makingmemories.stampinup.net. And I will send you the card fronts and the card bases absolutely free. If you do and you'd like Bonanza Buddies, let me know what paper you would like and I'll get that out to you. So we were celebrating today the retirement of my beloved Starburst Punch. And I couldn't think of a better way to do it than with some little party animals. Thanks for watching me. Find out more about what's retiring and what's staying over on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. And have a wonderful day. I'll meet you right here tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. In the meantime, stay inside, stay safe, and stay crafting. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.